Well, broke another bandsaw blade. Didn't have an hour on it. So I'm turning this to what I understand to be 2.5, 3 at the most turns beyond whatever we're going to define as snug. So I'm going to call the manufacturer of the blade, and I've already talked to Woodland Mills, and I'm going to figure it out. What I'm going to do is use a torque wrench. That's what I'm going to do. Replace the blade, use a torque wrench, and I know now that the previous blades were over torqued. So this stuff has been, this is the one that's been sitting for about 4 years. Flip it over. So this was the upside to begin with. I'd already flipped it over. Full of birds. I've got a couple of hawks hanging around, which I know want to eat these gigantic robins we have. The crow you just heard. A bunch of stellar jays. They haven't been noisy. A lot of stellar jays in the Santa Cruz Mountains. Whew. Anyhow, these stellar jays haven't been bad. I'm going to cut some veneer. A lot of water. It's been raining for what we get, 3 inches in 2 days, 6 inches in 4 days, and today's the second day with no rain. Well, this is what we got now. I clean these off. I cut this, something under a 1/2 inch and something over a 1/4 inch. Yeah, so still got some termite holes and termites. I've seen a couple. Gorgeous colors. So we got some thin ones, we got some burls, and we got 3 2¼ inchers. It's kind of wet. A couple at 1.5.